Hi, welcome to Call Crawl Studios. Got some mail in, so I thought I'd open it up and share it with you. It's a project a fella didn't finish, couldn't finish, wouldn't finish. We all fall out of love. So anyways, this is from Bob Mann, and I got two packages here, so let's just get into it. Find a little blade here. What kind of cool things do you get in the mail? Feel free to comment below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and say, check this out to your friends. Appreciate it. Not here to win an award, just here to have fun with the hobby. Been doing it a long time. Alright, well, there's that. There looks like a frame. Hopefully you can see that okay. Paper. Got the steering linkage there. The other links are present. 3 link in the front, 4 link in the rear. Bolt-on shock hoops in the rear. Part of the frame in the front. Yeah. Looks like a pretty decent setup. It's like a 3D printed cross member here, and it's 3D printed here. And then we got back here, we got steel or aluminum spacers, and then the skid is a 3D printed material of some sort, pretty slippery. The side ones are steel. Looks pretty nice. This is front one made for 2 servos. So you got your steering and perhaps a winch. All right, let's see what else Bob sent me. You can see that okay. I am far from an expert. Put the blade away before I hurt somebody with it. All right, what have I got in here? Looks like a couple of seats. And if you can see those in black, so that'll be easy to finish and look awesome. Probably maybe put seat covers on it or something, would be kind of cool. And this is packaged up just like it came from someone else. Thanks, Bob. This is a great, so far so good here. Oh, yeah, that's definitely in the back of the Ford. Big. There's the cab of the Ford. Looks pretty dang good. Oh, yeah, that's going to be fun. Oh, goodness gracious. Look at that old, sweet, inside bed. Ooh, yeah. Looking good. Doors, grill, wow. Door, dash, grill. Square headlights? I thought this was supposed to be a 78. We gotta do something about those headlights, I think. No, that's a 79 steering wheel. And another door. Nice tailgate. Another skid and another steering. That's cool. I'll have to duplicate those, so I have them. We got a purple hood. That's that, and then we got some headlight lenses in there, definitely square headlights. So that's supposed to be a 79. For some reason I thought this was 78, but I could be wrong. It's super complete. It's going to be a fun build. I am totally gonna freak out and just do a big old camper on the back of that and just build a styrene camper. Or if there's one that exists as the 3D printer can do it, I'll probably take the shortcut just because I have so many projects. Anyways, thanks Bob, and thank you all at Call to Crawl Studios. You all have a good day. Cheers to you.